fish? That is a fish. What the hell? A little pike, you're good.
That's a musky, ain't it?
That is a muskie.
Yo!
A little spotted muskie, no shit. I didn't even know he was on there.
And sure enough.
Swear to God, you get a hook in me, dude. I love you, but no promises. He got that all tangled. Little itty bitty spotted muskie. That ain't too bad. Definitely worth it to come out today.
Heck yeah.
It's the second one I've ever caught. I mean, he's only a foot long, but shit. You don't see him every day.
Good looking fish. Heck yeah, dude.
Heck yeah.